Next topic is conversion of decimals to fraction. Conversion of decimals to fraction. Consider the example. Convert 0.4 into fraction. We have to convert the decimal number 0.4 to a fraction. Then how can we convert it? There are certain steps. First one, write the decimal without decimal point as the numerator of the fraction. Second point, write 1 in the denominator. Then third step, put as many zeros on the right of 1 as the number of decimal places in the given number. Then reduce the fraction to its lowest term. That means first we have to write the decimal without decimal point as the numerator of the fraction. We know that for a fraction it has numerator as well as denominator. We have to convert this decimal number to a fraction. So first to write the decimal without decimal point as the numerator of the fraction. Is it? Then second step, write 1 in the denominator. Write 1 in the denominator. Then here after this decimal point, how many decimal places are there? Only 1 decimal place. Is it? So we have to put only 1 0 in the denominator. So 4 by 10 is the corresponding fraction. Is it clear? One more time. First we have to write the decimal without decimal point as the numerator of the fraction. Then write 1 in the denominator. Then put as many zeros on the right of 1 as the number of decimal places in the given number. That means here only 1 decimal place. So we have to put only 1 0. So 4 by 10. 4 by 10. Then reduce the fraction to its lowest term. That means we can simplify this fraction to a lowest term. For that we have to divide both numerator and denominator of the fraction with the same number. We have to divide both numerator and denominator of the fraction using same number. Then we know that 4 is divisible by 2. Is it? 4 is divisible by 2. What is 4 by 2? 4 by 2 is 2. 10 is also divisible by 2. 10 by 2 is 5. 10 by 2 is 5. So both numbers are divisible by 2. So we can divide with 2. 4 by 2 is 2. Then 10 by 2 is 5. So 2 by 5. We got 2 by 5. There is no other common divisors. 2 is divisible by 2, but 5 is not divisible by 2. Is it? So this is the lowest term. Lowest term of this fraction. 2 by 5. Now consider the second question. Convert the following decimals into fractions in the lowest terms. First we have to convert the following decimal to fraction, then convert to the lowest terms. First one, 0.25. 0.25. How can we convert this decimal to fraction? Write decimal without decimal point as the numerator of fraction. 25 divided by, we have to find the next one. Then 25. Then next step, write 1 in the denominator. Write 1 in the denominator. Then how many decimal places are here? 1, 2. After the point 1, 2. 2 decimal places are there. So we have to put 2 zeros. We have to put 2 zeros. So 25 by 100. 25 by 100 is the corresponding fraction form of this decimal. Then Next step, we have to convert to the lowest terms. For that, we have to divide both numerator and denominator by same number. We have to divide both numerator and denominator with the same number. You can take any number, but it should divide both numerator and denominator. Then we know that 25 is divisible by 5. 100 also divisible by 5. We studied divisibility test. So 25 divided by 5 is 5. 25 divided by 5 is 5. Then what is 100 divided by 5? 100 divided by 5. What is 100 divided by 5? Take 10. Then 2 5s are 10. Subtracting. Then 0 minus 0, 0. 1 minus 1 also 0. 1 0 is there. So put it here. 1 0 only remaining. So 20. 20 into 5 is 100. So 100 by 5 is 20. 100 by 5 is 20. Then 5 by 20 is the lowest term. Then we can again convert this to its simplest form, because we know that 5 is divisible by 5. 5 is divisible by 5. 20 also divisible by 5. 5 by 5 is 1. Then 20 divided by 5 is 4. 4 5s are 20. So 20 divided by 5 is 4. So 1 by 4 is the exact lowest term, because there is no other common divisors. 1 by 4. It is the lowest term of the given fraction. So we got 1 by 4 as the lowest term. No need to do this much steps. From here itself we can find this lowest term. 25 by 100. This is another method, or next one. 25 by 100. We know that 25 is divisible by 25. 100 also divisible by 25. Is it? 25 is divisible by 25. 100 also divisible by 25. So if you take 25 by 25, 100 by 25. What is 25 divided by 25? It is 1. Then what is 100 divided by 25? It is 4. 1 by 4. From here itself we will get the lowest term as 1 by 4. If you take 25 for dividing both numerator and denominator, from here itself you will get the same number as answer. Next one, 0.005. We have to convert to the lowest term, and first we have to convert to the fraction, then to the lowest term. Then which are the steps? First we have to write the decimal without decimal point, then 5, then write 1 in the denominator. Then how many decimal places are here? 1, 2, 3. So we have to put 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. 5 by 1000. 5 by 1000 is the corresponding fraction. Then we can convert to the lowest term. We have to simplify it. 5 is divisible by 5. Is it? 5 is divisible by 5. 1000 also divisible by 5. 5 by 5 is 1. 5 divided by 5 is 1. Then what is 1000 divided by 5? 1000 divided by 5 is 200. So 1 by 200 is the lowest term. 1 by 200. Here, which is the numerator? 1. Denominator is 200. If numerator is less than denominator, such type of fractions are known as proper fraction. In these all examples, numerator was less than denominator. Such type of fractions are known as proper fraction. Numerator less than denominator. If numerator is greater than denominator, it is known as improper fraction. Numerator greater than denominator, improper fractions. Third question, convert 13.04 into a fraction. 13.04. First write the decimal without decimal point. 34. Then 1304 divided by, then how many decimal places are there? 2 decimal places. So first to write 1, then put 2 zeros. 1304 divided by 100 is the corresponding fraction. Then now we have to convert to the lowest term. Then 1304 is divisible by 2, 100 also divisible by 2. We know by divisibility test. Then 1304 is divisible by 4 also. It is divisible by 4. Then 100 also divisible by 4. So it is better to take 4 than 2 since we have to convert to the lowest term. So divide both numbers by 4. 1304 divided by 4. Take 13. Then how many 4s are there in 13? 3 4s are 12. 3 4s are 12. Then next step, subtraction. 3 minus 2, 1. Then 1 minus 1 is 0. Then write this 0 down. Now we got 10. 10 is greater than 4. So how many 4s are there in 10? 2 4s are 8. 3 4s are 12. So we have to take which number? 2 4s are 8. Sorry, 2 4s are 8. 3 4s are 12. So we have to take 2. 2 4s are 8. Then subtraction again. 10 minus 8 is 2. One more number is there 4. Write 4 down. 24. Then how many 4s are there in 24? 6 4s are 24. 6 4s are 24. Subtraction. 4 minus 4 0. 2 minus 2 0. So the answer is 326. 326 divided by 100 by 4. 100 by 4 is 25. 100 by 4 is 25. So 326 divided by 25 is the lowest term. There is no other common divisors, but this is an example of an improper fraction. Is it? Here numerator is greater than denominator. Numerator is greater than denominator, so it is an improper fraction. We can convert an improper fraction to a mixed number or a mixed fraction. Mixed fraction means it is a combination of a whole number and a fraction. To convert improper fraction to a mixed number, divide the numerator by denominator, write down the whole number answer, then write down the remainder above denominator. 326 by 25. It is an improper fraction. So first we have to divide it. 326 divided by 25. 326 divided by 25. Then first to take 32. Then 125 is 25. Then 2 into 25 is 50. So we have to take 125, 25. Then subtraction. 2 minus 5. It is not possible. Taking borrow. 2 will become 12 and 3 become 2. 12 minus 5 is 7. 2 minus 2, 0. Write the next number 6 down. Now we got 76. Then how many 25s are there in 76? 325 is 75. 3 into 25 is 75. So 6 minus 5 is 1. 7 minus 7 is 0. 0 only there. So we got 1 as the remainder. So 326 by 25, quotient is 13, remainder is 1. Then we can write this improper fraction as a mixed number or mixed fraction, first write the quotient or the whole part. Then write the remainder by the denominator of the improper fraction, that is 25. 13 1 by 25. This is the mixed form or mixed number of 326 by 25. Fourth question, convert the following decimals into fraction and write it as a mixed numeral. Write the following decimals into fraction and write it as a mixed numeral. First one, 1.5. We have to convert to the fraction. Then 1.5. Write the decimal without decimal point. Then how many decimal places are there? Only one decimal place. So 1 after 1, 1 0. 10. 15 by 10 is the corresponding fraction. Then this is also an improper fraction. Numerator is greater than denominator. So we have to convert to mixed fraction, mixed numeral. 15 divided by 10. 15 divided by 10. How many tens are there in 15? We know that 1 tens are 10, 2 tens are 20. So we have to take 1 tens are 10. Subtract it. 5 minus 0 is 5. 1 minus 1, 0. So and 5 we got 5 as remainder. 5 is less than 10. So we got 1 as the quotient and 5 as the remainder. We can write 15 by 10 as, write the whole part, then write the remainder divided by the denominator or this one by 10. 1 5 by 10. 1 5 by 10. Again we can convert this 5 by 10 as, we know that 5 is divisible by 5, 10 also divisible by 5. So we can divide this two numbers. 5 by 5 is 1 by 10 by 5 is 2. 2 5s are 10. So 10 by 5 is 2. So 1 1 by 2. 1 1 by 2 is the mixed numeral. We can check one more example. 13.7. 13.7. As we have to convert to fraction. 137 divided by 10. Only one decimal place. So 10. Then this is also an improper fraction. So we have to convert to mixed numeral. We can convert to mixed numeral. Then 137 divided by 10. First take 13. Then 1 tens are 10. 2 tens are 20. So write 1. 1 tens are 10. Then subtracting 3 minus 0, 3. 1 minus 1, 0. Write the next number 7 down. We got 37. How many tens are there in 37? 1 tens are 10, 2 tens are 20, 3 tens are 30, 4 tens are 40. So we have to take 3. 3 tens are 30. Subtracting again 7 minus 0, 7, 3 minus 3, 0, 0. So we got 13 as the quotient, 7 as the remainder. We can write or we can convert this improper fraction as the mixed numeral. First we have to write the whole part 13, then write remainder by denominator or this divisor by 10. 13 7 by 10. 13 7 by 10 is the corresponding mixed numeral.